Hi, I'm Lou Lemus, the Director of Portfolio Management at First Kentucky Trust. I've had the privilege of working with the Financial Executives International Group and the CFA Society of Louisville, coming up with a criteria to select the Kentucky Public Company of the Year that will be recognized at the Invest Kentucky Equity Conference. So in order to determine the finalist for Kentucky Public Company of the Year, we developed a quantitative model. And this model consisted of both accounting metrics and also market performance metrics. On the accounting side, we looked at return on assets, return on equity, and revenue growth. And on the market performance side, we looked at change in market value and total return. The finalists are a group of well-known companies headquartered right here in Kentucky, but yet with a domestic and international presence. Congratulations, finalists.